On a normal Monday, up early, and then I go off at 9 o'clock to follow the house.
Come on in there.
I'm Alex. I'm apprentice for Dylan in Professor. Father Dylan is a good man, and as a friend and as a priest, he has been tremendous help, but he's the one that suggested me being his apprentice. Originally, he told me he would ring. The phone went and he told me I've got the job. And I just told Mum, I've got the job. My mum went over the moon and I just collapsed in her arms. It came about because I felt that so many companies closed doors in my face. Now I'm serving in both churches, bring comfort and healing to those that are in pain. And I'm also having tutorials once a week. It's looking at it. My proudest moment when I stood up and read the congregation. I can't remember what I read at the time, but I was really confident. And all the church was like, oh God, I'm going to cry. On Monday afternoons, I like attending Calf to Copper. I think that it pulls the community together, just talking and painting and drawing and being ourselves. Oh, it's such fun. Can I say St. Cousins, Collinsgar, colleagues and all my friends in church and true. Now I'm out of my shell and I've got lots more confidence and I'm just being me.